I'm going to do a quick review of the AeroPress Go. I bought it for camping and cruising because, well, the coffee on cruises is really horrible. Thinking that I'd get more of a French press rather than a drip coffee maker. So I'm going to use 2 filters. They say to only use 1. I'm going to do 2. And I'm going to fasten it, screw it onto the bottom of this. Okay, so that's in place. You can see the filters down there. Now this goes on top of the base. And then you can see my coffee grinds. It's pretty fine. Certainly not coarse. So those go in. Now they say to, excuse me, shake it, get them all level. Yeah, they're in the bottom there. And then after I pour the water in, I want you to stir it for 10 seconds using this handy little tool. So let me do this. So, but the problem I have with this is, you can see it just immediately starts flowing through the bottom. So if you want to stir this for 10 seconds, like they say, I'm not even counting. So half of it has already dripped through. And that's actually why I use 2 filters to kind of slow the dripping process. So if you get this, you might want to do the same thing. But, you know, it doesn't sit in the grinds for the entire time, only to be pressed out by the plunger. It's dripping every step of the way. But anyway, to complete it, you would just push this down and drive the water through the rest of the grinds. All right. So there it is.
confirma. Pode falar. Eu vou pôr sem som lá.
Aí ninguém consegue correr.
Tumbler rocks because the bottom is not flat.
No way. Okay, what else have you been? You, for example? Or have you had a Zodiac?
All right, bought the AeroPress a few weeks ago. It's turned out to be a pretty great coffee, pretty great way to make coffee. I use a little hand grinder. Make coffee in the background, woo woo. And yeah, packs down great.